Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: computer programming. Many of you have asked us how to get started with programming and how to learn it effectively. Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll answer those questions and provide you with some valuable tips to embark on your programming journey. So, let's dive in. Before we get into the details, let's first understand what computer programming is. Computer programming is the process of creating sets of instructions that tell a computer how to perform specific tasks. It's like giving commands to a computer, and these commands are written using programming languages. Now, let's address the first question: how to start programming? Well, the first step is to choose a programming language. There are numerous programming languages out there, each with its own strengths and applications. Some popular languages for beginners include Python, JavaScript, and Ruby. These languages have simple syntax and vast resources for learning. Once you've chosen a programming language, the next step is to set up your programming environment. This involves installing the necessary software, such as an integrated development environment, IDE, or a text editor, and configuring it to work with your chosen language. After setting up your environment, it's time to dive into the learning process. The internet is a treasure trove of programming resources. Websites like Codecademy, Coursera, and FreeCodeCamp offer interactive tutorials and courses to help you learn programming step by step. These platforms provide hands-on coding exercises, quizzes, and projects to strengthen your skills. Additionally, don't forget to explore coding communities and forums like Stack Overflow and GitHub. These platforms allow you to connect with experienced programmers, ask questions, and contribute to open-source projects. Collaborating with others and sharing your code can greatly enhance your learning experience. Learning from books is also an excellent way to deepen your understanding of programming concepts. There are numerous books available that cover various programming languages and topics. Some highly recommended titles include Python Crash Course by Eric Matthews, JavaScript: The Good Parts by Douglas Crockford, and Clean Code by Robert C. Martin. Now, let's address the second question: how to learn computer programming effectively. Here are a few tips to help you on your journey. Start with the basics. Begin with simple concepts and gradually progress to more advanced topics. Solid foundations will make it easier to understand complex programming concepts later on. Practice regularly. Programming is like any other skill, it requires practice. Set aside dedicated time each day or week to code, solve coding challenges, and work on projects. Consistency is key. Break down complex problems. When faced with a complex problem, break it down into smaller, manageable parts. This approach, known as divide and conquer, allows you to tackle each piece individually and then integrate them into a comprehensive solution. Embrace problem solving. Programming is all about problem solving. Embrace challenges and view them as opportunities to learn and grow. Persistence and a curious mindset are essential. Build projects. Apply your knowledge by building projects. It could be a simple calculator, a website, or even a game. Projects provide hands-on experience and showcase your skills to potential employers or clients. And that wraps up our video on how to start programming and learn computer programming effectively. Remember, programming is a skill that takes time and practice to master, so be patient with yourself. With dedication and a passion for learning, you'll be well on your way to becoming a proficient programmer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more programming tutorials and tips. Feel free to leave your questions or share your own experiences in the comments section below. Happy coding, everyone!